All right, here is the multiplying mixed numbers from the top 10 with finding the product of two mixed numbers. And I'm going to use the method of converting both of these into fractions greater than 1, or you might know it as converting them into improper fractions. So let's take 6 and 2/7 and say each whole is made up into 7 pieces. So this here is 42/7 plus the 2/7. Let's get that into just black. For a total of 44/7. And I'm going to multiply that. So here, these two wholes are, and it's times. These two wholes have 8 pieces each. So we're talking about 16/8 makes 2 wholes, plus the 1 extra piece. This is how I convert to fractions greater than 1. So I have 17/8. And now I need to just multiply like normal. I need to take the two numerators and multiply them. So 44 times 17. And then I need to multiply the denominators and get 7 times 8. I would do this all out. I happen to have a calculator on me right now. And for time, I'm going to multiply 17 times 44 and get 748. And my denominator is going to be 56. And at that point, you do have the answer. However, you're going to want to simplify, find a factor that you can divide them both by. And so you could do it by 2, or let's see here, by 4 maybe. So if we divide both these by 4, we can see what I get. 748 divided by 4 is 187. And 56 divided by 4 is 14. And then there you go. It is simplified as far as it can go. Since the problem was given to us in mixed numbers, it's really nice to take this and convert it back to a mixed number. So I'm going to ask myself, what is 187/14? So I'm going to take, 187, and I'm going to say, how many times does 14 go into 187? I know 14 can go into 18 once, with 4 remaining. And I can bring down the 7 and say 14 can go into 47 3 times. And if I multiply that, 3 14s makes 42. And that's going to be 5 left over. So I have 5 pieces out of 14 left over. So 187/14 is an acceptable answer. However, the one that is just a little bit better for this situation, since we were given our numbers, our fractions in mixed numbers, is 13 5/14. So stick around for another way to do this problem. If you like it that way, great, but it's always good to have multiple strategies. So I'm going to show one with using the giant one, or using the, what is that called? The generic rectangles. All right, thanks.